everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we have something special for you, the all-new 2025 Nissan Motorhome. Whether you're an adventurer, a road trip enthusiast, or someone looking for a home on wheels, this innovative vehicle might just be the perfect fit. Let's dive into its key features, performance, and what makes it stand out in the competitive motorhome market. Right off the bat, the 2025 Nissan Motorhome boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design. Unlike traditional boxy motorhomes, Nissan has crafted a stylish yet functional shape that improves fuel efficiency and reduces wind resistance. LED headlights and taillights provide a modern touch, and the large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views wherever you park. Plus, the retractable awning makes it perfect for outdoor lounging. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, well-thought-out interior. Nissan has maximized every inch of space with smart storage solutions, a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction stove, a fridge, and even a microwave. The convertible dining area doubles as a workspace, ideal for digital nomads. And let's not forget the cozy sleeping quarters, available in multiple configurations. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The 2025 Nissan Motorhome features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. But what's even cooler is the integrated smart home system, control lighting, climate, and security settings right from your phone. Plus, with built-in solar panels, you can stay off the grid longer. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by Nissan's hybrid electric powertrain, this motorhome delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. You get up to 350 miles of range on a single charge, making long road trips more convenient. And with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, driving this motorhome feels like a breeze. What truly sets the Nissan Motorhome apart? It's compact enough for city driving but spacious enough for full-time living. Plus, Nissan's commitment to sustainability means eco-friendly materials and a reduced carbon footprint. Whether you're traveling cross-country or looking for a weekend escape, this motorhome is ready for the journey. So, what do you think of the 2025 Nissan Motorhome? Is this your next road tripping companion? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Until next time, happy travels.